Hi, my name's Todd Vandenberg. I'm from Ricoh, Australia, and we're at Integrate 2019. I wanted to show you today our integration with the Cisco Webex Mini Room Kit, where we've got our Touch 10. Ricoh is a Cisco Gold partner, and we've integrated that with our interactive display, and we can simply jump into a meeting by pressing Call, so single button to call. We've actually connected that to our UCSA platform. It's a platform that's all about interoperability. It can take a video conferencing system like Cisco and join it into Teams, any UC platform. Actually, you can join into a video conference just over a web browser. The solution also allows us to bring in our own device, and we can plug in a single cable, a USB, and use the UC client on the laptop. So that could be anything. That could be WebEx, that could be Teams, that could be UCSA, it could be GoToMeeting, it doesn't matter. But we can take over the camera and the microphone system built in here and actually bring our UC platform into the meeting room. If you want to learn more about our Cisco Webex Room Kit solution with our interactive display around our smart meetings and workspaces, please head to www.ricoh.com.au. Look forward to seeing you there.